Show arbennig.
Digon o bethau'n cadw ni'n brysur. Keep us busy for the next hour. Reit te, talking of prysur.
Amser gwers.
Amser am wers.
Wers.
Mae John Pierce Jones, neu John Boots, mae lot o bobl yn nabod o, yn dod i gael sgwrs efo ni.
John Boots.
Di'n neis, di'n neis. Mae John yn dod o Ynys Môn, yn wreiddiol, o Niwbwch, Newborough.
Niwbwch.
Ac mae John wedi priodi Inga. Mae Inga wedi dysgu Cymraeg. Ac o'n i yn arfer dysgu lefel A i Inga. I used to teach her the A-level class.
Really?
Oedd hi'n wych. Gwych, gwych, gwych. Ac maen nhw wedi mabwysiadu. Ti'n gwybod beth ydi mabwysiadu?
Na.
Adopt. Maen nhw wedi mabwysiadu mab o'r enw Iwan o Haiti.
Oh, really? Oh, lovely.
Mae o hefyd yn dod o deulu o forwyr, sailors. He comes from a family of sailors. Ac mae o wedi prynu cwch yn ddiweddar.
Perfect.
Iawn, right. Ac wrth gwrs, wel, actor ydi John. Ac mae o fwyaf enwog am ei rôl fel Mr Picton yn Come On Midfield.
Come On Midfield.
Ac oedd yn arfer dweud.
Da iawn.
Si ffita. Gwych. Reit te, wyt ti'n barod?
Fi'n barod.
Ffwrdd ni. Ho, reit.
Rwyt
Rwyt
ti.
ti?
Oh, yes.
Wyt ti?
Rwyt ti.
Yeah.
Wyt ti.
Da iawn. Change your voice. Drop the R. These mean exactly the same thing. Wyt ti and dych chi mean the same thing exactly. It means are you or you are. Do you do. Ond, da ni'n defnyddio ti with somebody that you're friends with or singular, un person, if you're just talking to one person, iawn. Chi, pan ti'n siarad gyda somebody you want to show a bit of respect to, neu lluosog.
More than one person.
More than
a
one
group
person.
of people.
Yn union.
Like the audience out there, chi.
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 Sut ydych chi?
Ti.
Sut wyt ti?
Chi.
Sut ydych chi?
There we go. That makes sense.
Right. Beth os wyt ti eisiau gofyn os ydi John ac Inga a Iwan yn hwylio, if you want to ask if they all sail.
Dych chi'n hwylio?
Da iawn.
Gyda'n gilydd?
Yeah, dych chi'n...
Together?
Neu fel teulu.
Throw that in there.
Yeah, da iawn. Gyda'ch gilydd ar ddarchog. Nesa?
Nesa?
Nesa. On the last example, we had dych chi, statement, question, dych chi. You just change your voice. When you ask the question, you don't just change your voice, you have to change the word, iawn?
Okay.
So, say you want to say, he is happy, for example. How would you say it?
Mae John yn hapus.
Da iawn, da iawn. If you want to say, is John happy?
Ydy John yn hapus?
Perfect. You see, you can't just go, mae John yn hapus? You can't just change your voice.
You have to change the word.
The mae to an ydy mewn question.
Ydy is the question. Ydy John yn hapus?
Perfect.
Ydw.
And the answer, oh, yes, he is, would be...
Ydy.
Okay, get creative. Throw something else at me with an ydy.
Ydy Iwan yn dod o Haiti?
Yeah.
Would that make sense?
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
And then he'd say, ydy. So, rwan, da ni'n mynd I symud ymlaen i'r un yma, okay? So, roedd...
Roedd.
Was, it was, or he was, or she was. And oedd ydy'r question, so you just drop the r. So let's think of an example with oedd.
Was his character fun to play?
Ooh, da iawn.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oedd cymeriad.
Oedd cymeriad Mr Picton.
Oedd cymeriad Mr Picton.
Yeah.
And Come On Midfield.
Yeah.
And...
Yeah. Fun.
Joio, no. Hwyl.
To play.
I chwarae.
That's the most creative you've ever been
I've just
with your
pieced
Cymraeg.
bits there, yeah? Does that make sense?
Yeah,
is that okay?
So makes sense.
That's like the longest sentence I've ever said in Welsh.
Yn union, ended on a high. Right te. Dyma John Pierce Jones draw yn Haiti.